Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create aliases on Linux. So, in order to create aliases on Linux, first of all we need to go into Show Apps and right here press on Terminal. And what can we do? Maybe at the beginning I will show you how to check your current aliases that are basically set in your system. We can do it by typing in the command alias. Here are all aliases from the system, and right now, what is the alias? Because alias is a shortcut for a command in terminal. So as you can see, we have alias LA. If I will type in LA, like this, the command right here will execute. So LA means ls minus with minus and big A. So it will show something like this. And we can create our own alias. For how do we do it? We do it by typing in the command alias, and right now we have to type in the alias name. So for example, I will use AA, and we have to type the equal sign, and right now with the single one we have to type in our command. So maybe I will use a little bit longer command. So for example, from the file etc passwd, so this file stores the information about our users, I will grab only information about my username. So right like this, and of course we have to close that at the end. I will press enter, and right now if I will type AA, as you can see this command is executing. It's really useful, but we have to remember that this option have one bad thing. Basically it works only in the current session of terminal. So if I reset my terminal and type in AA, it basically doesn't work. How do we check how do we create the permanent alias? We have to edit the shell configuration file. But before we edit the shell configuration file, we need to know what shell are we using. And we can check what shell are we using basically by the command that I written in alias before. So again, cat/etc/passwd, and we can grab my username. And the shell is right here. In 99% of the situation, it will be bin bash. If you have something different, you have to edit the different file, so you can find it. You have to find it on your own. But how do we edit the file right now? Of course with nano, and the shell configuration file is in the home directory. So I will type something like this, and the name of it starts with dot. It starts with dot because this file is hidden by default, and the name is bashrc. And right now we have to open it, and we have to go at the end of the file. And right here we have to do basically the same thing that I did in the terminal before. So as you can see, here we have aliases. Basically it doesn't really matter in what place we will create our alias, but we have to do it not in the, for example, if block, because it will broke it. So we have to do it in the free space. So for example here I will create alias ll, basically the same, and right now cat/etc/passwd with the grep of my username. And again we'll close that. How to save that? We can save that by pressing Ctrl+O on my keyboard, then enter, and Ctrl+X. And right now we have to apply the changes. We apply the changes by typing in source and the path to our file, so bashrc. And right now if I type in AA, as you can see my command is working exactly the same like here. And of course if I will reset the terminal right now, first of all I can use the command, and in the aliases list I have it right there. And maybe if someone don't know how to remove that alias, it's pretty simple and maybe pretty easy to guess, because you have to basically edit that file again and just remove this alias that we created before. So we have to remove that. We have to again Ctrl+O, enter, Ctrl+X. We can close the terminal because right now it should still work. Yes, it is still working, so we have to close the terminal, open it again, and as you can see, our alias doesn't work, comment AA not found. So that's basically how you can create aliases on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.